All right, so now we're recording, and I'll just post this to the community if I can get in there. Figure
Okay.
out why my Gmail address doesn't exist. But anyway,
Is it
so
your
also
Gmail?
pretty much this week what we're doing is we're coming up with like one project proposal, right? Or two, I think it was, for our group, and we pick one to actually make. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
So everyone in the group, we all make the same project. That's right, right? We don't all do our own.
Yeah, we're all working on the same thing.
Okay, that's gonna
That's
be
why it's up
fun.
on GitHub so that we can pull and use each other's
Yeah,
code.
Okay.
that's gonna be fun and frustrating. I'll do my best to not mess with your guys' stuff. I promise. Let's see. So, shoot, my project. I guess we should just go and all give our project proposals. So mine, I tried to keep it as simple as I could because I remember in CIT 260, it was the same sort of thing. Give a proposal and then make what you propose. And I bit off way more than I could chew. And so mine was just basically flashcards. Like, if, yeah, my video was basically just a flashcard app. You can make different decks for different classes. Like, let's say you're studying for your CCNA, you can make a CCNA deck and, mark if you got the card right or wrong. I mean, it sounds like that would be something that wouldn't be too hard to develop. So that was kind of my idea.
I had the same general idea, kind of. So it was a to-do list. You have the server up top, and it would store your tasks that you needed to complete. And they were categorized by either they were a daily task, a weekly task, or a monthly task, or things like that. And it would pull random tasks depending on, you'd always get your daily tasks because you always got to complete those.
Mm-hmm.
But say you need, you got to vacuum the house, this week or today. Um, Later on, it might be something else. So it would change daily to different tasks that you get.
Cool. I like it.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you all right.
Okay, my idea was similar to that as well. It was somewhat of a daily agenda, but also with priorities that you can rank it, each task you want to do. And so it would help you organize your day based on which tasks are most important, how long each task would take, etc. So it is similar, it's related, just mobile app.
Nice.
Hello, team of seven. What are we, eight?
Man, this is big.
Holy cow. Well, sorry I'm late. I was doing something with work and then I just got on.
It's okay,
Oh,
Okay.
we got
cool.
you in
You're
here.
good.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, I guess pretty much what we're doing this week is we're making sure that we can all connect on GitHub and through the Google community,
Okay.
and then we're just I think what we have to do for this week is make a single or two project proposals that will be for our entire group.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we were just going over everybody's project proposal
Okay,
idea to
cool.
see if, narrow it down. Maybe we can do a vote or something.
All right. Who did I miss? I'm really sorry for coming in late. Oh, man.
Well, if you watch the videos, mine was like just flashcards. It's pretty simple, just like, if you're studying for your CCNA, for example, you can make some CCNA flashcards and use it as an app. It would be nice to have it in your pocket. Just like you could flip the card, mark if you got it right or wrong, then know how close you are to being able to pass.
Okay, that sounds cool. All right. And somebody already created the GitHub folder and the Google
Yeah, Jay,
shared
I believe that
folder.
was you, correct?
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, thanks for that.
yeah, no problem. Real quick, let me, go over who is in the community. So if your name isn't on here, I can hurry and.
Yeah, I think I wasn't in that invitation for some reason. On Island, it says I'm in a different group, but on the class community, it says I'm on this group. So, but the professor said, the teacher said that I'm in this group, so I can give you my email.
So ones on there are Christopher Henley, Logan Hampson, and Christian Phoenix. Anybody else, I need your Gmail account so I can add you.
Okay, I'll send you my Gmail right now.
Just put it in the chat.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Maybe I typoed it. Let me try this again.
Is anybody else taking 360? Wait, this is 260.
Oh, I was just saying the same thing. 261 and 360, they're like the exact same class.
It's the exact same class.
It is. It's so confusing.
It's so. I was like, this. I put it side by side. It's like the same exact structure, the same. Everything's the same.
I know. I am getting super confused.
Oh man.
Hey,
Well,
at least we only had to do one project proposal, right?
yeah, that's
We're
One
able to
elevator
copy and
pitch.
paste.
yeah.
I'm getting super confused though.
Oh man, it's a really weird. I've never seen anything like that before, but
Yeah.
it makes things easier.
Yeah, I can't get yours to go, Michael. I don't know.
Oh, this is crazy. I'll have to. I'm gonna go into Google Plus and see if I'm copying this straight over from Google Plus. Copy into the chat box. Paste. Oh, it didn't go. Let me.
Do you have like a privacy setting where like
You know what? That might be it.
your profile might not be viewable unless I'm in your circles or something?
You know what? I don't even use Google Plus for anything other than school, so I don't see why that would be it. Let me try to add you somehow. I don't even know how adding is done, but I'm going to go into Google Plus. Sorry, everyone has to watch me not know how to do this. There's Google Plus.
Like it's your trash email. Yeah, did you send me an invite to the folder?
Did you other guys get your invites?
I just put my Gmail in there. I don't know if you sent me an invite yet or not.
Yeah, I should have just sent it.
I
Okay.
still haven't seen one. I still haven't seen mine either.
What exactly do we do for the GitHub?
GitHub, you shouldn't really have to do anything. I
Okay.
just went in and added you guys by your usernames, so all you need to do is sign in and then search. I don't know if it will show up on there automatically or not, but basically I granted you access to the repository. It's going to be called this.
The Team 1 S16.
Is it showing up on your GitHub?
I got it. You sent me the invite. I was able to get into the repository.
Jay, could you throw your Gmail address in the chat for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry, man. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, it's good, man.
Let's see. Add people. There we go. Stuff is gonna happen. Add people. That's gotta be it. And it only gives me some add by name or email.
Still only seeing 5 members.
Hey Logan, I know you gotta leave in like 20 minutes. Or oh wait, you're in. Never mind, you're in the community. Christian's in the community, and I'm in the community.
What's the name of the community? I think I might.
It's the
There
same.
should be a link at the top of the chat.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I must not see that link in the chat.
I'll repost it.
Thanks.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Apparently the invites don't show up as an email, at least right now they don't.
That's what happened. I remember the last time it was in my spam folder.
Yep, because Google Plus is spam.
Google's own service shows up as in spam in its own email service.
It's great.
Mine showed up in the
Social.
which is basically spam in my opinion.
I just have all mine filtered so that it goes to its own Google Plus folder.
Alright, I see everybody on there now except for Michael. We'll have to figure that
Es
out.
tu papá. Creo que me va a decir que es tu papá.
Decime, pa.
So I don't know if you guys saw, but while you're trying to figure that out, for the week you're supposed to post a short like intro or whatever on the group community there, and then you're supposed to like put links to your intro videos and your app ideas. So if you can see, like, I just posted one there with my video link. The teacher will be looking to see if we did that.
Was that what was due last night?
It's due tonight, I believe. Last night was just the discussion board post for information that we can contact each other with.
What's due tonight is just a little thing asking if we actually had the community get together.
Easy enough.
Hey, does he want us to record? Are we recording this right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is being recorded.
Oh, that's great.
And you know what? Man, I don't know why I can't get into this community, but let me copy and paste what will be the URL to this video when we're done recording. But there's the URL. So this should, so one of you guys can post it to the community if I can't get in.
So we just have to post a video in the community. Just I don't get it.
If you see on my screen here, I'm on the group page, right?
Yeah.
So I'm in our Team 1. This is going to be our community that we exchange all of our group information. We're just supposed to...
Is it?
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to say, is it possible that you could make the community so you don't need an invite to join?
Yeah, just click on the
I can, but in the instructions it said to do it this way, but...
Oh, shoot.
If
Well, we
Michael,
could change
can you
it
go to the link that he sent
and
to me
then
back?
change it back after he joins.
Yeah, we can try that.
I sent you an email too, hoping that maybe, I don't know, maybe me sending you an email would do something.
Oh, let's see. Okay, yeah, this might help. Let's see if I can add you now.
Cool.
Oh, I forgot. Any ideas on which one of these might be you?
I have like 4 Gmail accounts, I think, so
Looks like it's the capital.
probably.
I think it's the capital M one. At least that's what it looks like on the chat. On the side, you have capital M.
Really, it looks like a lowercase one on.
On
Oh
your-
yeah. No, no, it looks uppercase.
See if it works.
Just send it out, everything. Send everyone.
Send it to both. Yes.
Thanks. Let's see. Now, should this be in my inbox in Gmail?
Should be.
Yeah, it might go to your spam.
All right. I'll just go to all mail. Oh, there it is. Hooray. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Accept
Well, there's
invitation.
actually
There it is.
there's actually an agenda here that it has for us to follow for this meeting. I don't know if you guys looked at it.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea.
So image and tagline. Okay.
So we kind of already introduced. Does anyone else want to introduce themselves more?
No.
All right. So if you want to just watch my screen and we can work together on getting a tagline and an image, I guess. Let's see. It's right here. But basically, we just have to put an image up to kind of represent our group that will show on our group page here. And then we insert like a little tagline, which I'm assuming is just kind of like a little saying or motto or something that we want to decide on. Anybody have any ideas?
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. I don't know.
I thought that was pretty good.
Somebody will have to repeat. You'll have to repeat that. Was that Mike?
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right.
Any objections? I don't think it's that big of a deal.
Yeah, it's not that important.
I'm cool with that.
Okay. Let's see, who hasn't done anything yet? Either Arden or Christian, do one of you want to just randomly find a picture of something?
I just sent a link in the chat.
Alright. Maybe something that has to do with programming. I don't know.
I love the creative process.
Cardboard.
Let's see.
I love Arden's picture.
Are we gonna use that one, or do you want a different picture?
Can it be a kitten typing on a computer? Or
Let me look for something.
I'd say it should be a dragon. I like that idea. I don't know if that picture's perfect, but I think it should be a dragon. Maybe Smog from The Hobbit.
I Okay.
And while you guys are looking for that, also, I know we said that about 1:30 works for most everybody. Does anyone object to Tuesdays at 1:30?
Nope.
Cool. We'll plan on that then.
And when should be because we have to do 2 meetings, right, in the week. What should be the other day?
That's only for this week, I believe, right?
Yeah, just twice this week.
Just this week?
Yeah,
Okay,
And then
good.
it's just once a week.
Oh, okay.
unless necessary, then we can always.
Yeah, I'm always down to pull overtime on these things. That almost always happens.
Just because I think we're supposed to be teaching different topics, and I don't know if we're going to be able to make everyone be able to teach all in one day. So
This is the biggest group I've ever worked with.
Yeah, same here. This is nuts. Like, the fact that we're all here right now is actually blowing my mind.
Yeah, I've never seen so many, faces on the bottom of the screen. Like, it's just crazy.
For better or for worse, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So that's done. Unless you want to change it.
that one.
Next.
That's perfect.
Yeah, so like he was saying, we got to plan a time each week. I'm fine with doing that, but just so everyone knows, I have kind of like a work schedule that just changes all the time. So is it cool if I just let you guys know if I have a problem with the times we set, and then we can adjust it accordingly? Or
Fine with me.
That's fine.
Yeah, we can work things out.
cool. And what did we decide on? Did we decide? Sorry, I was.
Tuesdays at 1:30. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
It's a good default, yeah.
Everyone good?
Yeah, that's what we did today, and look at this. It's working out.
Okay. I'm going to insert that into Google Calendar and then add your names to it so that it just kind of invites us, reminds us each week or whatever.
That works.
Okay, we got to select an agile development methodology to use for both learning and technology and creating your app.
Scrum!
That's what I was thinking.
It's the only agile methodology I've used, like, this whole 2 years that I've been at BYU.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Let's
I don't
do it.
know. It doesn't really say. It says we're supposed to submit it to him by Saturday, but I don't really see where we're supposed to submit that.
Email it to him.
Okay.
Most of the communications with Brother Tuckett will be through email.
Okay. All right.
For Scrum, there's like daily reporting, so we could just have like a Google Doc and just put, what you did that day. Just log what we did each day in that Google Doc, just to record Scrum activity.
Real quick, if you guys pull up your Google Plus, the group community page, on the left side where it says About Community, if you push that, it should have a link that says Team Meeting Minutes. Does everyone see that?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is actually, I was supposed to create this, and we're actually supposed to kind of like keep like a brief log type thing of what we go through, I guess, in our meetings. And we can all edit and work on that. But I was thinking maybe if we just kind of split it up like every other meeting, like if somebody wants to be in charge of writing a brief review of like what we went over or something. If that makes sense. Like take turns.
That'd be a good idea.
Being the scribe.
Yeah, there's enough of us that we take turns and, only do it once this whole semester, so.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be anything like super extreme, I don't think. Just like just a little like summary of what we kind of did, I guess.
By default, it seems that most of us only have view access. At least I only have view access to that document.
Yeah.
Let's see. So I've only gotten Anthony, Christopher Hensley, Christian Phoenix, and Logan, and Michael on there.
That would be why I have read access, not edit.
All right. Which one was your Gmail?
Mine's the ardenshackleford@gmail.com. That one. That's the school one, but
Is there? Okay. Is that right?
I also don't have access either. Mine's the AJI.
Sorry, what was that?
It's AJILIZA
B
Z
Z A.
L at Gmail.
¿De felicidad?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. I hate that.
All right, if you refresh it, hopefully you can
No, fue enamorado.
do that now.
Yeah. You good.
Okay. So yeah, that's how you can easily get to that. Whoever's filling it out, good job. Is there anyone that wouldn't mind just finishing that out sometime today?
Yeah. I could just, it's basically just putting the outline that he gave us in there. That's
Yeah, that
pretty
works.
much it. But yeah.
I think in the future, like where we're gonna have to be, well, if you look at the next step for the week, it says to give each team member a technology from the course technology list to learn, and then we're supposed to teach it in our next meeting. I'm not even sure where the technology list is. I don't.
Anyway, so that means so all of us are going to learn an individual technology, come back, and all 7 of us are going to talk about 7 different technologies in the meeting.
I don't know. That seems like a lot to me.
We better put a strict time limit on that.
If you guys are on the iLearn course, under course, and right above the folder where it says assessments, there's a topics and resources link. Those topics, those 15 topics, are the ones that Brother Tuckett's referring to when he's talking about going out and learning something about them.
So are we going to have to do 2 or just 1?
1 per week.
One per week.
Well, I mean, if there's 15 or 14 or whatever, and there's 7 of us, are we supposed to do 2 each?
No, so it's just the goal is that by the end of this semester that you have a solid understanding of all the topics, but each of us only presents 1 topic each week.
So you just rotate.
I'll take next week.
No. Well, everyone's supposed to teach at least one everyone's supposed to teach at least once a week. So you're supposed to teach. So each of us is supposed to take 1 topic, learn about it, do maybe some sandbox code, and come back and teach each other, give each other sandbox code for that topic. And then once you're done teaching that topic, you get assigned a new one for the next week. Make sense?
Yeah.
Huh.
So we're gonna have to learn from each other like multiple times on each one.
Yeah.
Yep.
this is brutal.
Yeah.
It's a great way so that, you know, the teacher, you know, you don't have to, I'm not going to say.
Don't have
Oh.
to teach. That's what you're gonna say.
Yeah.
And some of them are pretty like complicated. For example, hibernate. That's gonna be that's a huge topic. So I'm sure we'll probably learn a lot from it once we get by the end of the semester.
Okay. Um. So, anybody? I guess we should maybe write that in our little agenda here.
Assignments.
Topic assignments.
I'll take the topic number 7, the model view controller pattern for this week.
Maybe you could just copy and paste the list, and then we could all write our names next to what we want.
Yeah, that works. Scrubbing here. Oh, there you go.
And when are we having the second meeting?
Yeah, when was the second meeting gonna be?
You guys want to shoot for today at 2:30? Are we allowed to do that? Does that count?
I'll be in class.
Oh, all right.
Plus, aren't we supposed to be presenting what we learned in the second meeting?
Yeah. We want some time to study to.
Oh, shoot, you're right.
Would Thursday at 1:30 work?
That works for me.
For me, yes.
Yeah, sure.
I think I actually work Thursday during the afternoon. Crap.
How about Thursday morning? Does that work for everyone?
Thursday
I can do
morning.
that.
At like 10?
I work at 8.
Well then, you're special.
Yeah. I probably should have been put in a night class in night group. But
When do you get off work?
what if I just put freak? Thursday the only option?
No.
Didn't you want to do Friday morning?
Yeah. I can.
That can work.
At like 9. I have class at 10:15.
Yeah, 9 works for me.
Friday at 9 sounds good.
Works for me.
You guys are on Webster, right? Is that right?
I'm in Mountain.
Yeah, we should just, I think MST Mountain Time.
Yeah.
Because that's what we put as 1:30 today.
All right. So maybe when we do these topics, we shouldn't worry about covering everything since we're going to be going over all of them multiple times, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, does it say like a time frame that he wants?
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
I'd say 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think that sounds good because with 8 of us.
Most of his instructions for the whole course are incredibly vague, so if you want specifics, you have to pin him down on Google, on the communities and say, I need to know the answer to this one question of what you're looking for. Otherwise, it's incredibly vague the whole time.
All right. And as far as these go, then I'm just going to plan on being extremely fast and basic and just barely skipping over the basics.
Because if we're all
for
doing
time's
it,
sake.
probably.
Yeah, seven presentations about a topic, like at 3 minutes. It's like 21 minutes. Kind of crazy. Yeah.
Is there anything else we need to do here?
The hosting service, we have to, I was reading that. Decide what hosting service your team will use to host your project.
Pretty sure for this one it's just the GitHub, and that's why we have the kind of group GitHub where we just put everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a website.
I don't think you need a hosting service in this one.
I think that's all we really have to take care of right now. Just says report to the instructor your development methodology, which we decided on Scrum, and which team member will be responsible for what technology, which we just did. So that's all the steps in the agenda that is posted.
Did we decide on a project? What we're going to propose?
I vote for whatever would be easiest to develop.
That sounds great.
I say the majority of people in the group came up with the idea of flashcards. Let's go with something along that line.
Yeah. It says we need 2 proposals by this Saturday.
Yeah, so it's 2 different
Flashcards and a to-do list? Does that sound good?
That
Yeah.
sounds great.
Fine with me.
Both of those would be easy. So that's what I want.
Yeah.
Simple.
Okay?
Sounds good to me.
Everybody has an assignment.
So are we just going to present the proposals how those 2 are already done and that's it?
Yeah.
Are we
I
just
can.
gonna-
Yeah, like, do we just use the same proposal videos that we've already made?
Yeah.
It says I had a before the meeting, and you're supposed to like read these audio clips and look at everyone's proposal so you kind of know which one to go with. So that, like, we were supposed to do that before the meeting, which I'm assuming we all watched the proposal videos already.
Yeah, like I saw your like home teaching one, and I watched them.
So the whole point of like posting them again, we weren't supposed to post new ones, but just put links to the same ones on the group page, just so we could easily be like, oh, this is my group, so this is the proposals that are being offered by my group members, and then I guess to pick one of those. We don't have to do any new videos or anything at this point.
That's good.
All right.
So yeah.
So that's it?
Does anyone have any problems with any of the group tools that we needed to hook up?
Nope. Everything looks good to me.
Cool.
Okay.
Oh, works
So
for me.
do you want me to make just a normal, like a Google Doc says Scrum on it, and just have everybody record what they do daily, just so we can like have some sort of documentation on that?
We can discuss it next time because we're not starting to code anything yet.
Okay. All right.
Maybe just on our little time recording sheet, let's just put that we chose Scrum. Oh, you did? Okay. We're good.
Okay.
I think that's good.
And does only one of us need to submit that, or do we all need to submit it?
I think just one.
Just one? Alright.
And I added the instructor to the group as well as to this document and stuff, so you can look at all the stuff.
Yes, I don't think we need to submit anything. Like, he'll just be looking at our stuff.
You do have the quiz. Just go ahead and take the quiz before tonight.
And so we're posting our videos on the community we just joined, correct?
Yep.
All right.
And this, once the broadcast stops, it should be... I already put the link on the community, so you should be able to watch this video.
Okay.
Then too.
Which will be good for when somebody needs to miss, you know.
Yeah.
I noticed in the chat feed that Logan said, put me down for JUnit tests, but Christopher has his name.
Yep.
Oh, didn't see it. Okay, it's fine.
Do you know how to access the team meeting minutes document so you can add your name?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. Cool, just making sure.
All right, Logan, you can take off. We know you got to go to class.
Thanks.
Yep, thanks, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. I think if we're done, unless anybody else has something, I'm going to head out.
Yeah, so just to clarify what's going on next Friday we just basically do our proposals for the instructor.
So you signed up for a topic and you're going to be talking about that.
Okay, that's it though? Alright.
Yep. I'll catch
Cool.
you guys later.
Sounds good. We'll see you Friday at, what did it say? 9
9.
a.m.
9 o'clock, yeah.
Nice.
Alright. Oh, who's gonna make the Google for that? I can do the Hangout for that one again if you guys want.
Sounds good.
Alright, cool. We'll see you Friday at 9 a.m.
Okay, see you.
All right, thanks, guys.